Okay, this is lesson 44, part 2, pages 300 to 307, and we're talking about slope. All slope is, it's defining a line on a graph. These are linear equations, these are straight line equations, and when we're talking about slope, we say slope is defined as the rise over the run. So what does that mean? Well, if we have a line that looks like this, and it goes through these points. Let me change something here. And the line goes through these points. Like that. We will look at the points where this line crosses an x and a y axis. There, there, there. And now we look at rise over run. So we'll start at this point and we say this is the rise, and this is the run, and this is the rise, and that's the run, and that's the rise, and that's the run. So if we looked at how far it rose 3, it went over 2. It rose 3, it went over 2. It rose 3, it went over 2. 2. So we have rise over run, so the slope of that line is 3/2, or 1.5. What do you need to know now? You need to know this. Lines that go left to right up have a positive slope. These lines all have a positive slope. Lines that go down left to right have a negative slope. This line has a negative slope. This line has a negative slope. That line has a negative slope. Now we'll do a few examples. Okay, on the example on the bottom of 302, it says that line goes through the point 0, -2, so we go over 0, down 2, and it also says that line goes through the point 4 over 0 up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4 over 0 up. Okay, now we can connect those lines. And we're going to look something like this. And we're going to say, what is the slope of that line? So if we're looking at that line, let's look at the rise over the run. So the rise, and we'll look at this point, and this point, and this point. I'm going to say the rise goes up 1, 2, and it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope would be 2 over 4, or 1/2. The slope of this line is 1/2. Since it's going up, left to right, it's a positive slope, positive 1/2.